Hi, boys and girls. Today is a beautiful day. Yes, I feel the sun in my face. Did you know that the sun is actually a star? It's the closest star to our galaxy. Yeah. Well, I'm going to read you a book in this beautiful sun. Here I go. It's called There's No Place Like Space. There's no place like space. Here you go. I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see. Ooh. The planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury, close to the sun, burning light. It's hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. Ooh. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It's my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since birth. It's the 3rd from the sun. It's our planet. Guess which one? Earth! Yes! It spins all the time around and around like a top. It turns once every day and it will never stop. This question has thing 1 and thing 2 in it dizzy. If the earth is always spinning, why don't we feel the dizzy? We don't feel the earth as it spins on its way because we're spinning right now and every day. Well, can you feel it spinning right now? I cannot. Next here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it's covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find that it's bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has ring and so light. Who would think it could float in the ocean and not even sink? A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. Ooh. Now here's a game you can play in the sky. Connect all the stars and you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you'll see big picture we call constellations. So here we go. Here's the bull. And the great dog, great bear, Uranus, and lion. Wow. A star is in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot. There's one star by far our favorite one. We can live without it. But the star is called the sun. From Earth, it looks big. There's one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes will get hurt and that will not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1 million of Earths could all fit right in it. Wow. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sunlight. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been to before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called Lunar Rover. An astronaut studies what's up in the sky. Thing one wants to be one. In fact, so do I. What do you think, boys and girls? Do you want to be an astronaut? The universe is a mystery place. We're only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go and fly back up the stars and take thing one and thing two to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that is new. Wow. That's awesome. Well, boys and girls, that is the story. Adios.